Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's Jenny back again with an interesting video. Of course, I need to be now. Why? Since I posted something, but it has been the. I'll get into that later, guys. I don't want to take things real. So, I bought microwave, and it's from Hisense, and I wanted to unbox with you, or even just show you guys how it looks like. I don't know, guys, if you love it, because when I went to the shop, to the shop, like, okay, a brief story of how I ordered earlier before, but it came like 2 days later. This thing that it's in our warehouse, then they bring for you. Okay, they came in hand, you get, because it was a free delivery. You imagine such a huge stuff to be on a free delivery, because it's not only microwave that I bought two things at the same time. So I bought a microwave and the other thing that you guys will be seeing shortly after I unbox with you my microwave. So this is how my microwave looks. Oh shit, I don't know why it's so heavy. According to how I saw it last, it was like a small thing, you get. But right now I realize that this thing is so huge. Yo, how is it so huge? And why is it so huge? So come along with me and see what is inside so that you can know why it's huge. So I'll be bringing up a scissor. So I'm back. Yeah, so this is how it looks.
The playing with my mind. Gotta get out of here tonight. Oh, enough, I am flying. And I'll tell myself it's fine to be alone. Just to find somewhere that finally feels like home. I hate all this overthinking. The more I swim, the more I'm sinking. Take me to a world of silver, no more heartbreaks, tears, painkillers. Take me somewhere unfamiliar. Bring me back to where we started out. Get me out of now.
It came at night.
To where we started out. Get me out of now. To where we started out.
Okay, they went to the other side of the road, and they had to use another road to access us. So,
Get me
it's
out
crazy,
of
guys. So
broken
this is how it
hearts and
looks. I don't know
starting
why
fights.
it's big.
Turning truth to lies. Gotta get up, stop wasting time. Yeah, I wanna run off and fly.
Yeah, I'll show you
And I'll
this
tell
new.
myself it's fine to be
It's so
alone.
big.
Just to find somewhere that finally feels like home.
Okay, I think these ones are
I hate all this
measures.
overthinking. The more I swim, the more I'm sinking. Take me to a world of silver, no more heartbreaks, tears, painkillers. Take me somewhere unfamiliar. Bring me back to where we started.
Freshness or
Get me
something
out of
that
now.
you know. So, I need
To where we started out. To where we started out.
the box, and I think the official support this. They have a showroom at TRM, and guys, there's so many deals going on in that shop, so you guys can go and check out. I'll be dropping their details down below if you want to maybe shop maybe something from Hisense shop. You guys will get a good offer when you wait. I didn't want to do so much of this stuff, but I have to because I don't have an option. I have to shoot content for you guys. So okay, it's heavy as hell. I don't know what's happening. So this is the, I don't know, like approach. I don't know. Nice packaging, by the way. So it's silver. Okay. The main reason why I went with silver was because I felt that the black color was gonna make my house look so dull. And when I saw this, okay, the difference between the 30-liter black and the 30-liter silver was that the 30-liter silver didn't have a coil for grill. You get, like, for grilling meat, and I really wanted one because my cooker is not doing that justice to me. You get, so I had to go with this so that henceforth I'll be grilling meat. I've wanted it for a very long time, and I hope it is a good investment for me. Yeah, so if that's it, if you open, I'm not so sure even how to open, but I think you just pull. Yeah, if you pull, this is how inside it looks like that. Yeah, that is how it looks like. So yeah, so this is how inside looks like. It comes with a book, like the manual book. You guys know that. Yeah, they tell you there's a free booklet for installing, like they show you how to use the user installation manual microwave oven. Yeah, and I don't want to like expose so many things, but when you go to that shop, you'll definitely get good deals. Right now they have good deals. Just TRM second floor. Then this is like cooking tips and recipes. I don't know if they come with the recipes. Yeah, guess what? Hisense has just done it all. You guys, I have a whole recipe book, guys. So I'll make sure, in fact, content for the whole year 2024. I'm coming. We'll do this Italian style meatloaf. We'll definitely do that. And it's a microwave oven. How? Wow, this is nice. Yeah. Life reimagined. Hisense has made my life reimagined. So this is it. This book has like recipes. Okay, this one is for user installation manual, but this one has like recipes, guys. Go buy it at authentic shops. You get, if you go to this shop, you won't get these things inside. But if you go to authentic shops, you guys you'll get even recipes on what to maybe cook on the first day. Like, for example, I think on the first day I should be cooking meatballs. Yeah, guys. No, I think bread bots filled with spinach dip. I don't know what's that, but we'll try, guys. So that's it. That's what I found inside. Then this, I think this one was for okay, you know these things are delicate, so maybe while traveling, so that it should not bump when it bumped things, so that it shouldn't crack, I guess. I'm not so sure. Maybe experts, you can comment down below. Then these okay, I have to take this thing serious. I don't want my plate to like spoil on the first day because I was showing you guys content. Yeah, so yeah, so this is what was inside. It's a plate and these. Yeah. Maybe guys you can tell me what this is, how this is called. Apparently I can't know how everything is called. So this is it. My new Hisense microwave is here. You guys, Hisense, you're the best. Thank you for providing me with a microwave. You're gonna so this was in, and also this plate. And guys, just appreciate the packing. Like, how do you guys packed this? This is so nice. I don't know what is inside. So that's it. I don't know if I should even remove this in the first place, but you guys can just see that I don't want you get. So this is it. This is the plate. I don't want to remove it from this whatsoever the packaging is called. And this, I think this will stay here for the meantime before the plate. But I know the plate should be down. But since they have the manual, I'll just follow in, then get to you guys. Right now I won't be doing that. I'm gonna show you what I bought second. Yeah, so this is how the microwave looks like. Apparently I'll be putting it in this place. Let's just try, see how it will be. Oh shit, it's heavy. Yo, what? I thought it won't. I thought it will hang. The stands are on this are on top. Wow, this is nice. You know, I was scared that it might not fit, so I had to look for a place. But is it really on top? Or I'm imagining sitaki lose vitu you get. So since I'm not so sure about how it is right now, I think it will have to change the repositioning. For the meantime, I think I'll place it easy because I'm not so sure about that place. Maybe
Empty hearts and neon lights, playing with my mind. Gotta get out of here tonight. Oh, I wanna run off and fly. And I'll tell myself it's fine to be alone, just to find somewhere that finally feels like home. I hate all this overthinking.
it's not that tall, but at least we are going to use it here, so we don't have to move it around. But I'm sure if there's something happening, it will stay there. I'm not using it. Either thing like this or maybe with this.
just to find somewhere that finally feels like home. I hate all this overthinking. The more I swim, the more I'm sinking. Take me to the silver, no more heartbreaks, tears, painkillers. Take me somewhere unfamiliar. Bring me back to where we started. Get me out of now to where we started. Get me out of now to where we
Let me just read this concept because I don't have anything to do. And yeah. And I think it's so delicate. It's so delicate. I'm always scared of carrying glass plates because I feel that kinda I might break them. I don't know where this is placed, by the way. Just the other one, I don't know. Yeah. So one thing I know is that this is the top grill part. For grilling meat, I know there's something like that. If I'm not wrong, then that I'll know. It's like oh yeah, I think it now rotate here. Then this I will place it easily. Guys, I don't know, but it makes sense how I've placed it so far. So since if I place it like this, it can easily rotate. So I think that's the way it should be. Then this, the grilling part, done. Then it has pizza, it has popcorn, it has potato. Those are like the buttons that are there. It has cooking time, wait time, defrost, clock timer, power level, my plate, grill combo, vegetables, beverage, meat, stop. The numbers start in plus 30 seconds, guys. So and don't forget to go and shop at TRM Hisense shop. That's where the showroom of Hisense is. They are located at second floor, just opposite LCY Kiki. Yeah, it's just near there. And they really welcome people nicely. I think I was welcomed so nicely that I forgot that my budget wasn't to buy microwave, and I ended up buying a microwave. Oh, guys, so that was it. So when you open the box, this is what you get first. Then after that, Actually, I just bought it. So, box, this is how it looks, and it had just like the inner part and the outer part. So this is how longer. Then so try nasikia like the ear sound, kuna kitu inasikisha chini. Then apart from that, kuna hii part ya steam. So ukiweza taka kusteam vitu zingine, you can always use this. It looks this way. Just come in because you add water. This stuff, you add water like you think like 20 ml, 40 ml. So the amount of water you want for that steaming stuff. Then they send for you a video of how to use it. So if you don't know how to use it, then this is it. This is how it looks like. Then you have seen like they have this effect of like it's like it has a touch effect. So I don't know if you guys have seen that. Like it's so amazing. So it's just one touch. Smelling new. Still smelling new. So then this is like it is 7.3 liters. And this is how it looks like. Apparently, if you are putting anything inside the fire, like how can I describe it? You can see what is happening inside. I can do it and like a pretty small example. And then how it looks. This is how obviously it looks. You can see like, this is just this. So this was inside it. So just as I said, you pull, then you put it inside. Obviously, before I use it, I'll have to wash it. These are pretty easier ways that I'm going to show you how to wash it. Like the oil, like these are easier ways that I'm going to show you how to wash it. Which it's so pretty. I hope you guys have seen inside. Yeah, so it still has that. It has come from the inside you can show. So okay, so I chose to put it here. So okay, let me just close it before I open once more. So you open, you just, then this is what happens when you open. So when you saw it the first time, it had no clear stuff like this. So right now it has like this clear stuff. So when you open then fish, then shrimps, then you see like now the effect of it, how it is when it's working. This is how it works. You see like anything that you are cooking, if it's already full,